Thank you for watching episode of Snow's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of this Halloween kit here, which is just part of our Halloween extravaganza from Temu. Essentially Lego compatible kits of all different walks in life here, all centered around Halloween. This one looks like it builds three, a brickhead style ghost, a cat, a black cat and a pumpkin. You ever wonder when the first picture of a black cat and a pumpkin was? I do. And then this witch with a cauldron in there. Oh, let's get her opened up, see what it looks like. Looks like it's stuffed pretty tightly there. And these are a little bigger than I thought they would be. Okay. And a very small but nice instruction book. Says they're made by, looks like Venato. Let's just take a quick look here. We got the bricks listed in the front. And bag 1 is the ghost. And bag 2 is the cat and pumpkin. Bag 3 is the witch. And everything looks pretty easy to understand there. We'll get this built real quick. And post it in, so you can see if this would like to be part of your own Halloween decoration set. Alright, thanks for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.